Okay, when we come to interface, okay, if the class implements multiple interfaces, interface extends a multiple interfaces, known as multiple inheritance. Matlab, like if you have one class, right? Basically, one class cannot extend two classes, right? It is like not accepted in Java, right? So multiple inheritance with respect to class you cannot achieve. But one class can implement two interfaces, okay? Or one interface can extend two interfaces. This is multiple inheritance can be achieved with respect to interface, not with respect to class. Understood? We'll see how we can achieve that by with the help of how we can achieve the 100% abstraction and how we can achieve the multiple inheritance. By interface, we can support the functionality of multiple inheritance also to achieve the 100% abstraction. Okay. Now we'll see what is the syntax of interface. Okay. Now just I'll show you once. Okay, how we'll declare, just I'll show you via programming. Okay, I'll just create my one class, that is interface class test, right? Okay, I have created one class. Done. I have created interface class test. I have created. Now in this I want to create two interfaces. Okay, so interface okay, interface, like how we declare class, like that only. Okay, interface, I'll just create it as a parent. Okay, done. Next I'll do interface child. Okay, now next syntax, what it says is interface, just I'm declaring one method. Okay, I'm declaring one method here, void some run method. Okay, now okay, so what the thing is here, it says is in interface. The other thing says is in interface, all the methods which are there, right? The method, this will be abstract in nature by default. For example, if you declare any variable int a equal to 10 and you are declaring one method void print equal to something. Okay, so what happens is, see, internally if you're not declaring also, internally the compiler, what it will do, this is our code. Okay, what compiler does, it will add before the variable all the variables which you're declaring it. If you're not adding also, compiler will add public, static and final. All the variables are public, static and final in nature. Okay, and if you declare one method also, okay, those methods are abstract in nature. If you're not adding also, by default all the methods are abstract. If you're not adding, if you're just writing void print, the compiler will add public abstract void print. So these code will compiler will add. If you're not adding, if you're adding also fine, if you're not adding also, compiler will add for us. This public static final for variable, public abstract void for public abstract for methods. Now see, I can either add public abstract void, or if I don't add also, not an issue, compiler will add for us. Okay, so only see, in interface, when we saw in abstraction, it was allowing abstract and non-abstract method, right? But when we come to interface, by default all the methods are public and abstract in nature. If you're not adding the public abstract also, compiler will add, so it will not allow any non-abstract methods. Okay, now I have created one void run. Okay, now what I'll do is, in my child, I'll create one more method, that is void don't run. Okay, see here also it is not allowing any method. Abstract method do not specify a body. See, I have not specified the method as abstract, but still it is telling abstract method it is declaring, because compiler is doing for me that thing. So I'll have to just declare a method. Okay. Now, how you can achieve the multiple inheritance? Multiple inheritance is one class extending two classes, right? That is not possible with respect to class. But when I'm extends, okay, I can extend the parent and child here because those are interfaces. Okay, I'm extending these two. Okay, give me a moment. So class can only, when you're implementing that thing, class can only implement. See, is this diagram shows, right? This diagram shows, right? Class can only implement two interfaces, and interface can extend interface, but it cannot implement, right? So what I'll do is I'll just implement it. Implements now parent comma child. Okay, now at least it should give. Okay. Super interface. Okay. Now this is an interface. I'll just extend this because interface can extend interface, right? Is it already there? I think. Give me a moment. What I've done is this I have not closed, right? So this is interface. Class implements this thing. Don't have to do this thing also. It's fine. Okay, interface parent already defined, but my parent is already defined. I'll just do one thing. Parents I'll make, child I'll do it because that name was already there, it is telling. Okay, now I'll just implement these two. The duplicate name was there, so it was giving error. Okay, now see, all the methods I said, right? By default, these are abstract in nature, right? Now, just think you have one more method, void print. One more method, just you're defining it as a print. Okay, you're defining it as print. Now it says, see, when your class is implementing two things, this is in this way you are achieving the multiple inheritance, right? Now abstraction 100% also is achieved because you don't have any non-abstract methods here. All the methods are by default abstract in nature. Okay, now just I'll create add unimplemented methods, right? By default add all the methods. See, by default these all were abstract in nature, right? So it had added those. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just give the body of this method. Okay, system.out.println this is run. Okay, don't run, right? And system.out.println this is run. Okay, and I'm telling system.out.println this is print, right? Now when I come to main method, then I'll create an object of this interface test I equal to done. Then you dot, okay, you dot, I'll have method, right? Run, right? Interface class test, it is under. Okay, then you dot don't run there, then you dot, then print also is there, right? I'll just call those methods, then I'll just execute. Okay, This is print. See, this is run, this is don't run, this is print. So basically they'll ask you interview, like what is interface? So you should tell interface we are using in order to achieve a multiple inheritance and 100% abstraction. Okay, they'll ask you how you'll achieve the 100% abstraction by using interface. You should tell the method which I'm declaring in interface. By default, there are public and abstract in nature. Okay, so all are abstract. You cannot declare the non-abstract method in interface. Okay, then okay, that is the way you're overriding the methods in the child class and you're giving the body to them. Done. Okay, now what you'll do is, next thing is, by doing this you will achieve the 100% abstraction. Now when you have two interfaces in the particular class, you can just implement two interfaces. Okay, but real time with respect to class, you cannot extend two classes. If you extend, it will give an ambiguity or it will give a compile time error. It will not allow you to do that. Okay, but multiple inheritance is one class is extending two classes, right? That can be achieved with the help of implement keyword, and you are implementing the two interfaces. Okay, this is how you can achieve the multiple inheritance. Okay, this is all about the interface. If you know this much and if you remember this theory, that's more than sufficient. Okay, how it does. So also I forgot to tell with respect to variable, right? So variable, if you just declare variable, if you just declare in the interface, okay, just think you're declaring this variable. This variable, you cannot change the value because these are by default public and static and final in nature. And something when it is declared final, you cannot change that value. Understood? This is how about the interface. All that.